Do you want to know? Well, I've been thinking about you.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Yanalise from the ADD Makeup Addict. I hope you all are having a good day, and if not, I hope it gets better. Today in this video, I'm going to be doing a 4th of July get ready with me. I have a look that I'm trying to do. I have it on my phone, so let's see how it turns out. But without further ado, let's get into this video. Okay, so first things first is to prime my face. So I am going to use my Per 4-in-1 primer. And ignore any background noise, please. Okay, now that my face is primed, we are going to do our eyeshadow first. So what we're going to do is I'm going to grab my concealer because I do not have the eyeshadow primer at the moment, but I'm getting it. So let's put some concealer on our eyelids. And then we're going to blend it in. Let's lower this a little bit. There you go. Okay, so I'm going to go in with my iconic London palette, the Data Slay one. And I am going to first do my base, which is going to be in the nude. This one right here. And I'm going to apply it all over my lid. And then on the other lid too. Okay, so now that we've done that, we're going to go in with our first color. And that color will be red. So for red, I'm going to be using my Full Cure palette, and I'm going to use this brush right here. I'm going to go in with the color Terracotta, this one right here. And I'm going to apply it there. I'm going to grab some more. And I'm going to apply more. And I'm going to put more so that you can actually see it. And then I'm going to blend the color. Can you see that? Yeah, you can. But let me get a wet wipe and wipe away the excess. And then I'm going to go in on the other side with the same color. And I'm going to keep applying it till you can see it really well. And then I'm going to blend it. And then I'm going to go in with the color Wine and go over that because it's a little bit darker. And then blend that out. Wipe off the excess. And then do the other eye. And then I'm going to, again, wipe off the excess. Now I'm going to go in with the white. And for that one, I'm going to be using my, I think it's e.l.f. palette. And I'm going to be using first this blue because it's light. So I'm going to go in with this blue right here. And I'm going to, oh wait, instead I'm doing white. Nice. So first things first, for white I'm going in with this one. So I'm going to go in with that shade, and it's not showing up. So let's try this one. Showing up a little bit better, but that shows up a little better. So now I'm going to do the same thing for the other side. There you go, it's coming out nicely so far. Now, for my foundation and stuff, because I don't want to ruin my foundation if I mess up. So, gonna put some foundation on. But I'm so happy because my puppy's in town. Because usually, lately he's been out. Like, he used to, like, stay with us when we were living in our old place. But my older sister wanted to take him with her when she went to work, when she travels out of the state. So he's been staying with her, and I miss him so much. But he's here today. So I've been playing with him and stuff like that. But I promised you guys that I would upload a video, so I stopped playing with him for a couple minutes till I finish uploading this video. I'm almost done the foundation. There you go. Now time for the concealer. Now I'm going to do my setting powder. I'm going to grab my powder brush. I'm going to apply everywhere where I need to. And there you go. Now I can go back to my eye. Eyeshadow. And then I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. And light the other eye. And then I'm gonna go back in with this color, put it in my inner corner. There you go. Now I'm gonna do my mascara. There you go. My eyelashes are done. Now we're going to do my bronzer. And for that, I'm going in with the Rimmel Natural Bronzer in the shade 22 Sun Bronze. And I'm going to go in with this brush. Gonna go in on the other side. Now that I've done that, I'm gonna go in with my blush and highlighter. For blush, I'm going to be using my BH Cosmetics Blush to Go 4-color blush palette. And I'm going to use this color right here. Okay, I'm done with the blush. Now for highlighter, I'm going in with my State Highlighter in the Do Me Pearl. I'm going to apply it. And now that I've done that, I'm going to go in with a lip gloss. And for that, I'm going to use my BH Cosmetics Nude Lips 28 colored lipstick palette. And I'm going to go in with this color right here. Sorry. I'm going with this color right here. Okay, there you go. Now it's just time for some setting spray and then we'll be done. Alright, I am almost ready. I just need to get dressed, but I'll do that off camera. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to leave a like and subscribe and tap the bell notification so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. Without further ado, I hope you all enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!